Staying connected to your favorite creators, brands, and friends on Instagram can make all the difference in your social media experience. With the ever-evolving Instagram algorithm, it's not uncommon to miss out on important updates, new posts, or exclusive content from the accounts you care about most. But you don't have to leave it up to chance or scroll endlessly through your feed in hopes of catching that next big announcement. With a few simple steps, you can take control and make sure you never miss a post, story, or live session from your top accounts again. The desire to receive notifications from select Instagram profiles is shared by millions. Maybe you're following your favorite football club and want to be the first to know about breaking news or match updates. Perhaps you're an influencer eager to engage quickly with peers or brands in your community, ensuring your comments appear right at the top and boost your own profile. Or maybe you're on the hunt for unique finds from Instagram shops where limited drops sell out in seconds, and being notified could mean snagging that must-have item before it's gone. Whatever your reason, notifications are the ultimate tool for staying one step ahead and fully engaged with the content that matters most to you. So, how do you get started? The process is simple, straightforward, and totally customizable. First, make sure you're following the Instagram account you want notifications from. If you haven't already, just visit their profile and hit that follow button. Once you're a follower, look for the bell icon in the upper right corner of their profile, your gateway to instant updates. Tap the bell and you'll see a menu of notification options designed to fit your needs. Instagram allows you to tailor notifications for posts, stories, reels, and live videos. Want to know every time they share a new photo or reel? Toggle on post notifications. Only interested when they go live? Select the live option. You can mix and match these settings to create a notification experience that's perfectly suited to your interests and schedule. This way, your phone buzzes only for the updates you genuinely care about, keeping your Instagram experience fresh and relevant without overwhelming you with alerts. And don't worry, if your interests change or you want to dial back on notifications, you can adjust your settings anytime. Just head back to the profile, tap the bell icon, and fine-tune your preferences or turn notifications off with just a couple of taps. It's all about giving you the power to stay informed, engaged, and in control. For influencers, brands, and creators, this feature is a game changer. If you're looking to boost your visibility, real-time engagement is key. The faster your followers interact with your content, the more likely Instagram's algorithm is to push it to even more people. That's why encouraging your audience to turn on notifications can lead to higher likes, comments, and shares, all the things that help your account grow organically. Some even choose to invest in additional growth strategies, like boosting followers or likes, to give their content a head start and capture more attention. But at the heart of it all is genuine connection. Instagram is about sharing moments, building communities, and discovering new favorites. Whether it's a friend's latest adventure, a trending product drop, or a creator's inspiring story. By turning on notifications for your favorite accounts, you're ensuring that you never miss out on the updates that brighten your day or spark your creativity. So go ahead, take a minute to scroll through your favorite profiles, tap that bell, and set your notifications. With each alert, you'll be right where you want to be. First in line for the content that counts, ready to engage, and always in the loop. That's the power of staying connected, energized, and ahead of the curve on Instagram.